Hello, this is a heavy duty industrial or a laboratory stirrer manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. This lab stirrer can be used for stirring or mixing up to 30 liters of solutions like chemicals, pharmaceutical solutions, dairy, food, and cosmetic liquid products. The equipment basically consists of a heavy duty 1 by 6 HP motor with a chuck, a 16-inch long stainless steel shaft with a blade propeller, and a K-type heavy-duty stand. The special base design gives a topple-free operation. The motor has a maximum speed of 6,500 RPM. The speed can be controlled using the speed controller fitted with a digital timer. The duration of stirring can be set using the digital timer. The stirrer switches off automatically at the end of set time duration. Smaller and bigger stirrers are also available as per your requirement. We wait for your inquiries and orders for this product. Thank you.